back to my YouTube channel. For this week's video, I'm with my sister.
Hi.
And for this week's video, as you read by the title, I'm going to be doing an updated room tour because the first video that we put out, my room was still kind of empty, and now that we're settled in the house properly, my room has changed a lot since then. So yeah, before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that notification bell or the notification box when I post every Friday. By the way, don't forget to watch the end of the video because we will be doing shoutouts from Instagram. So yes, let's get on to the video.
Okay, so my sister is the one filming for me. This is the door of my room.
So nothing really changed with like the way that my room looks, like, because you can't really change anything. My room is too tiny to change anything. So when you close the door, I actually added this. I got this at Target. So it's just like a whiteboard and I have like different stuff on it. And it has like cork so you can stick stuff. So as you can see down here, like I've stuck like my trip, luggage, whatever. And I have like so much passes here, like a bunch of passes. And then I have 2 magnets and 2, and AC obviously, so nothing changed. So moving on to here, it's my vanity, so nothing really changed much. Except for this. This is full. The last time that we did this, it was like really empty. So I still have my candle down here. I have my St. Michael, my rosary, linen spray, lotion, like sleeping lotion, my lip tints. By the way, I am selling BT21 lip tints, so if you want to buy it for me, yes, the link will be down below in the description box. Alcohol, because we are under quarantine right now, so it's very important to sanitize. I have my medicine cubby over here, so like all my vitamins and like medications that I take. And then my colognes, I have like my Chloe cologne. These are my 2 favorite perfumes, so I have one from Chloe and one from Chanel. And then up there is just like my nail polish. So moving over here, I have like a diffuser, and it's also like, what do you call this? It like shows time and stuff, so it's not just a diffuser. And then I have Alexa, vanity. This is from my aunt.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
This is from my aunt. They went to the beach with me on Story Street, and they got me a bunch of stuff from there. Apple mouse, TV remote, and this is for my TV. I have my chair, yoga mat, and then the drawers. So here's just like a bunch of random stuff. It's really messy, I'm so sorry. So I have like my jewelry in here, Tiffany, Pandora, my telephone, my AirPods, and all that stuff. It's just really extra stuff that I haven't found like a home for yet. And this is my favorite drawer. It's all like scrunchies. I plan to like remove it from this drawer and have like a box for it, but I haven't really had the chance to go out because you know we're all under quarantine and stuff. And then here, all my cubbies. So yes, up here you just have my photo box and the box of my BTS doll. And then over here in this cubby, we just have like my bags that I use all the time. So I have my Gucci bag, my MCM bag, and then just like the side. And then this cubby is probably my favorite one. These 2 cubbies are probably my most favorite ones. So this one is like dedicated to BTS all on its own. So like I have my albums back there, my Army Bomb. Some cup space from Map of the Soul 7, and my my BT21 fan. And then down here is just like more K-pop stuff. So I have my 17, like my carrot bomb, my hammer bomb, and TXT light stick. And then just a bunch of like other things. Banners from concerts that I've been to. And then I have like stickers. And then moving on to this cubby, it's just like some random stuff, as well as like my makeup. And then this cubby, I have like a box or like a storage thing for stuff that are just like lying around, so at least it looks clean. My Polaroid, my Instax, and then like back here I have like my pens and stuff because I do like to like write and do calligraphy. And then over here I just have like a bunch of books like for Korean because I am trying to learn the language. And then posters that I haven't really stocked, vitamins, and just random stuff. And over here I have a lamp. This is for like reading. I don't really read books, but like if I need like a night light or something, then I just turn it on. Then this one is actually the light bulb of this actually is a hue light bulb, so you can change the color using a phone and stuff. So there's that. This is my brother's guitar. I still have yet to give it back. And then down here I have like a tata mat just placed down by my bed. So here is my bed. As you can see, if you compare it from the first video, there are so many different things. So up here I just stuck like the Macne line on my wall. I found it really cute. I found this actually on Pinterest, and then I had it made and I just stuck it there. And then all my BT21 stuff, yeah, all from the BT21 store. Then I just have like this Our Lady of Guadalupe kind of thing for my arm. And then down here, it's still the same. I have my carpet and my beanbag. Then moving on to here, I have my fan. I have my fan. And then my ring light. And then this one is my favorite thing. I'm gonna turn off the light so you can see. Oh, by the way, if you look up there, I do have like strip lights for, at night. I just like turn them on on my TV. So the thing that I'm gonna show you is actually one of my most favorite things ever. Because I can. And there, you can just like, I like to turn it on at night, especially because it looks super duper nice with the LED strip and everything. So it's just like a star projector that I got off from Amazon. And it's really pretty to look at, especially at night. So there's that. So it was pretty pricey. I got it for $50 at most. And then down here I just have like a wallflower so that my room smells good. And then this is just my closet. I don't really show you much, but I haven't really moved everything yet, so I should have 3 clothes, but I do have more than this. Underwear, leggings, and down here I like all my pajamas. And then over here, so I have like a bunch of my hoodies and like my robes and stuff. And then down there are just like bags, and there's like just random stuff. Here's my bathroom. Let me slide it. Slides. So nothing also much has changed with my bathroom. So this is like my mirror. You can actually open it, and I have like a bunch of stuff in there. So it's like a 2-way mirror, but only this side. There's like a light here you can open. Here is like all the stuff that I use, so like my lotions. I have so much lotion. Face masks.
Q-tips and like cotton squares and like a bunch of stuff for my hair, more lotion. And then I have like BT21 headbands and stuff. And then this is just like a drawer full of other things. And then I have my speakers and my hair brushes. And then down here is just like storage for all my other things. And then this side, I have like my towels. I like my towels like neat. I don't like it like really messy. So I fold it before I put it in here. And then I just have all these other things. Like shampoo, body wash, conditioner, all of that stuff. This is for doing your number 2. And then I have obviously this. People, you need this. You need this. You can't just like live on toilet paper. Buy a bidet. And then I have, of course, like a spray. It smells really good. This is the scent. It's from Bath and Body Works. So yeah. And then of course face towel. And then like my view is a wall. I keep it closed all the time. And then to this side, I just have like my laundry and a weighing scale. And I just have like 2 carpets on the floor. And yeah, that's my bathroom. So yeah, that's basically my room. I hope you guys enjoyed. Nothing much really changed with the way it looks because like you can't really rearrange anything in my room because it's too small. So yeah, that's like my little cave. I like to call it cave. So that's my room. I hope you guys liked it. I mean, that's not much, but then, yeah, I just wanted to do it because there's nothing else to do. So, this week's shoutouts will be very, 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 very different. So, if you want, like, a shout out, you just have to do the same thing. So, all my shoutouts now will be coming from Instagram. So, if you follow me or, like, on Instagram, then you get a shout out. So, it's all, like, recent followers. So, yes. Let's do the shout outs. So shout out to this person, shout out to this person, and shout out to these 2 people. If you guys want to be part of the shout out squad, it's not going to be like notification squad anymore because like there's something wrong with my comments. Like it always like turns off on its own and like I try to open it but it doesn't work. So that's how it's gonna be. So it's shout out squad now, not notification squad. So if you want to be part of the shout out squad next video, all you have to do is follow all my social media links. They are on the screen. And yeah, if you guys like this video, please do give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell or that notification box to know when I post every Friday. I'll see you guys in a new video next Friday. Bye.